Okay, so I'm going to show you now option number 2 for same example in sample number 1. So in this case, we're going to use option number 2 syntax or code. So for option number 2, as mentioned in our discussion in the classroom, that a pointer variable can be also like an array variable, but an array variable cannot be a pointer variable. So in this case, okay, instead of creating a pointer variable that is actually using a pointer notation, we're going to make use of an array declaration. So let's copy first our code from the first example and paste it from the second one. Okay? Okay, so if we're going to use code for pointer notation, we call this as pointer notation. So for pointer notation, we usually use the asterisk sign followed by the parentheses and then the pointer variable. Plus is not really an addition on this, but instead we are talking about a pointer that points to the address of I, okay? And then close parentheses. So we call this as pointer notation. This one, we call this as subscript notation. Subscript notation. Okay? So, instead of using a pointer notation, we're going to use a subscript notation, but still we use pointer variable. So, again, as mentioned, a pointer variable can be like an array variable. So, in this case, from the input, instead of using asterisk pt1 plus I, I'm going to use simply pointer pt1 subscript I subscript. So that's already a subscript notation, but still it's a pointer variable. Okay. So again, I'm going to copy this portion and paste it here. Okay. Change all asterisk pt1 plus I to pt1 subscript I. Okay. Even in the output, we're going to change that also. Okay. Next is, I need also to change this portion. Okay, so I'm going to use pt1 subscript 0 instead of asterisk pt1 plus 0. So same thing, pt1 subscript 0. Okay, so again, this is an array, but still this is a pointer variable. Okay, so again, that is actually a pointer variable that can be like an array variable as well. Okay, so let's try to run the code. Let's see if it's work. It still works, no? Okay. So let's just try to wait this. Okay. So again, 1, 2, 3, 0, negative 99, 79, 66, 55, 45, and 44. So again, it will display the highest value at position 5, which is 789, and the lowest value at position 4, it's negative 99, and then displays all the numbers in the array. Okay, but again, we use what type of value? Pointer notation. So in this case, we do not change the assignment of this, right? So you can actually use this, or, okay, or another one is, instead of using ampersand sign num subscript 0, since we already considered pointer here like an array variable, you can also use pt1 equals num instead of ampersand sign num subscript 0. Let's run this code. Let's just wait for a while. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 99, 89, 890, 56, 44, 33. Okay? So again, highest here is 890 and the lowest is negative 99.